Leatherman. Okay, Leslie Leatherman now kind of giving one of the fans a hard time for having a Brandon Scott shirt on. And okay, Leatherman in
right
the
now,
ring. I do believe that Leslie Leatherman is rather unimpressed with the entrance of Mr. Excellence, Brandon Scott. Brandon Scott with maybe one of his #1 fans here. Brandon Scott now working the crowd here, liking what he's hearing. All right, it looks like we're about to get this match underway as Leslie Leatherman and Brandon Scott set to face off here. Leslie, or I should say Brandon Scott, giving a lot of weight to the heavyweight Leslie Leatherman. Not only probably 150 pounds or more he's given up. I'd say about 7 inches in height. All right, Brandon Scott getting the crowd worked up. Once again, I have to question why another wrestler is going after ring announcer Bob Lohr. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a... Okay, Brandon Scott here. Wow, what a matchup we have here as soon as these two get going. I'm not real sure if both men are trying to entertain each other or they're trying to entertain the crowd. Okay, here we go. Leatherman, the very popular showman here in Elite Pro. And manhandling Brandon Scott. All right, Scott. Here in Leslie Leatherman trying to get this match underway. Scott kind of looking at me like, what's going on here? He doesn't know, but here he's trying to get the crowd going once again. Brandon Scott. All right, here we go, both men. And Scott ducks under. Got Leatherman in a headlock. Leatherman just picks him up like he was tissue. But Scott with a big headlock throws him into the corner. Leatherman comes in and misses. Right and a left, and a right and a left to the midsection. Leatherman just had enough of that. Throws Brandon Scott down, both men in the center of the ring. All right, Leatherman whips Scott into the corner. Oh, and a big right hand landed square on Leatherman's chin. And it dazed him just a little. Leatherman steps under Brandon Scott. Scott's got him. And he takes the legs right out from under him. And Leatherman. And out he goes. And Brandon Scott taking a breather. And Leatherman is outside, and here's the count out being applied. He's up to a 5 count. Scott gives chase momentarily as Leatherman taking a breather. Shaking the cobwebs, rolls back in and back out. And the count starts again. Oh, and Scott comes out. Leatherman caught him midair, and he's going to go right into the ring post right here at our perspective. Oh, my, and Scott's able to reverse it and sends Leatherman right into the corner to the ring post. Wow. Scott right behind Leatherman looking for an opportunity. Puts a big kick right to the shoulder. And Scott going up on the top rope. Jumps. And lands the big flying drop kick. 1-2. And Leatherman just presses him. And Scott goes flying. Once again, we see a show of that great weight disadvantage. And Scott flying into the corner. And Leatherman just caught him. And drops him across the ring just like that. Leatherman with a big clothesline. And down he goes. Leatherman shaking the cobwebs. Now he's applying the choke onto Brandon Scott. And he does it again. The referee trying to get him to break that chokehold. And he's bringing Brandon up to his feet the hard way. A handful of hair into the corner ring post right here in front of us. And Scott got a dazed and confused look about him. And Leatherman throws him over the top rope, and Scott is out and down. Leatherman says count him out. Leslie Leatherman now with a distinct advantage, and he's going with a tactic. He's taking the padding off of the corner here. And now that metal is exposed here in the ring corner. And I guess he's got plans for Brandon Scott, I would say, and his forehead into this corner ring post. All right, Scott going to come into the ring the hard way. All right, let's see what Leatherman has planned for him now. He's in control. And a big chop sends Scott down to the mat. And another big chop. And man, those chops are just about opening up. There's another one. Leatherman now wobbled as Scott bouncing back. Leatherman caught him and dropped him. Going to get a pin. 1, 2, and a half. A 2.5 count as Scott is able to kick out. And I can see the frustration on Leatherman's face here as Scott just won't go away. Leatherman was looking for the pinfall. Didn't make it happen. Leatherman setting Scott up here for some sort of a move. Leatherman going up on the second rope. Are we going to see a big suplex here? My oh my. And he does. And he gets the suplex off, and Scott, I'm not so sure that that Leatherman didn't get the worst of that exchange. Leatherman rolls over on Scott, get a 1 and a 2.5. Another 2.5 count. And Leatherman now putting the big hold, the choke hold onto Brandon Scott, Mr. Excellence.
He says I'm in trouble, ref. He says I made a big mistake.
All right, he's referee is asking Brandon if he wants to throw in the towel. Scott saying no. No. He's not going to do it. All right, Scott back on his feet. Big right elbow to the midsection. Another one and another one. Scott off the ropes. Takes a big elbow right to the face. And Brandon Scott now in trouble. Leatherman, will he set Scott up for another big move? Oh, and a big forearm to the middle of the back. He's got him on top of the ropes. Big elbows to the ear. Look at Brandon Scott trying to roll off the back of Leatherman. Rolls him up into a small package. 1, 2. Scott looking for that double axe handle and misses as Leatherman counters with a right to the midsection. And a bulldog. And Scott is down once again. Leatherman with the cover. 1 and a 2.5. Another 2.5 count. Leatherman so close to getting the pinfall. Leatherman starting to show a little fatigue, back on his feet. He's got Scott just where he wants him. A big right hand to the forehead of Brandon Scott, and another big chop takes him down. Is it time for Leatherman to finish off Brandon Scott? We'll see. Looks like Leatherman setting him up for a suplex. Big right hand, two big rights, and another chop sends Scott into the corner to that exposed turnbuckle. And Scott going, oh, and he misses. Scott's able to counter on that, sends Leatherman right into that exposed ring corner. There's no padding in that turnbuckle. And Leatherman, second time, goes right into that turnbuckle. That solid steel exposed. Scott now, oh, with a kick to the knee, takes the foundation away from the big guy. And Brandon puts a nice move on Leatherman. And he's flat on his back, and Brandon Scott now trying to get the crowd into it, trying to restore a little bit of energy here. Scott, he's climbing up on the ropes, second one, going up on the top. Scott looking to deliver the big move here. Maybe the big finishing move comes up, and a big elbow, and a 1-2, and a half count. That is the best count that Scott's gotten on Leatherman all evening long. All right, Scott, is he going to do it again? Leatherman on all fours, trying to regain his composure. Scott up on the top rope. Will he land another move? Looks like Leatherman's going to get up. And he sends Scott down on the ropes. And looks like Leatherman's going to try another suplex. Tough on the big guy, and Scott, a couple big right hands, sends Leatherman down to the mat. Leatherman back up on his feet. Scott on the top rope. Here he comes, and he misses. And Scott now, oh my, and looks like he might have injured his right knee as Scott comes across. As Leatherman picks him up and misses, but Scott favoring that right leg. Oh my, and Brandon Scott this time goes down face first into that exposed turnbuckle. Leatherman with a big drop, and a 1, 2, and a 3 count, and that's going to do it. And Leslie Leatherman's going to get the victory on this one. Leslie Leatherman is going to get the victory. But I do believe that Brandon Scott gave him everything that he wanted.